The Xumo Stream box includes audio description, which narrates on-screen visuals for accessibility. To disable it, the primary method uses your TV's remote. Navigate to your TV's settings menu, typically under Sound or Audio, and look for options like Audio Language or SAP. Switch this to the primary audio track or stereo. Some Xumo content allows direct disabling within the app settings. From the Xumo home screen, go to Settings, then Accessibility, and finally, Audio Description. Toggle the feature off if available. Note that this feature is inconsistent across content sources due to content provider controls. If disabling audio description via TV or Xumo settings fails, a device restart can sometimes help. Hold the power button on the Xumo Stream box for about 10 seconds to restart it. Ensure your Xumo Stream box is updated to the latest firmware, as updates occasionally include improved audio settings. If AD persists, consider that the content provider may have hard-coded the audio track. In such cases, no setting changes will disable the feature. User forums suggest that using external apps, though not officially supported, or HDMI audio extractors might provide more control over audio tracks, but these methods are advanced and potentially unreliable. As a last resort, check for a guest mode on your Xumo, which could have different default audio settings.